What up guys, on this channel we'll talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops and other investments based on crypto, but this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. So let's go for 1 billion token as the goal, and here 1 billion token and also 3.5 million per hour profit. You think it's too much? No, it's not. Let me show you how you're going to go about all this. I'll be explaining everything in this video, so watch to the end. Let's dig in together. And if you have not followed this channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and give the videos a thumbs up. So let's dig into the video. We'll be using the Hamster Pro, so I'll be explaining how all this is going to work. Here is the 4 best card I generated that I'm going to upgrade. So to get the accurate profitable card to use here, you can see here I set level 15. You can set it to any level you are in. So I'm using the level 15 for this one, and you can see the first card here is not profitable. It's just 5/10, which is not profitable. Let me move to the special because we have some new cards we need to upgrade. So let's look how profitable they are. On the level 0, this is 10/10, but let me upgrade it to like level 10 because I've upgraded the cards a lot. So on the level 10 also is 10/10, which means this card is very profitable. So now you can see over here the profit per hour, and you can see the cost over here and also ROI. The breakdown alone has given us a full insight of what we should expect on the real Hamster Kombat. So this is the real Hamster Kombat now, and this is the exact card I checked. Putting it side by side now, you can see the accuracy. I'm on the level 7 and I'm checking for the level 7. You can see how accurate this is. This is just giving you example of how this Hamster Pro works. So going down now, you can see the semi-final between the England and the Netherlands, and I'm on the level 9 going to level 10. These two I'm upgrading now, they are 10/10 on the Hamster Pro. That is why I'm making the upgrade. Now let's take another example. This CX up over here, you can see it's 2/10, which is really poor. So on the 15th level it's still 2/10, and now when I move to the level 10 it's still 2/10, which is really poor. This is just an indicator for you to know when to buy a right card and when to leave a wrong card. So I came directly to the CX hub to check and confirm myself. So I'm on the level 14 over here. So when I click now, you can see I have to buy with 18 million token for just 7,000 per hour. Now you know how useful this is. I'll be dropping the link down in the description box. You can click and just start using it. It's free of charge. You don't need to pay anything for this. So let me go back to the Hamster Pro now, and there's also a unique feature over there to select the best 4 cards for you to upgrade. To get the accurate best 4 cards for you to upgrade, make sure you do your own small work over here, which is for you to select the accurate level you are on the real Hamster Kombat. So once you select the level for all of them, make sure you select for each and every one of these cards. After doing that, then you can just click on refresh over here. So once you click on refresh, it's going to shovel up and give you the best 4. You can see right here 1 2 3 4. So by following these few steps and always upgrading the special 4 best given to you, getting to the top should not be so hard. You can surely come again the next day for you to set the accurate levels for everything in order to get the accurate cards for you to upgrade. So to my own understanding, the main thing you're looking for in this Hamster Kombat is number 1, the profit per hour is very valuable. Number 2, the level, and for you to level up you need tokens. So definitely the token, the level and also the profit per hour, those 3 of them, you need to work with them simultaneously. Don't leave one for one, just work with them together. Let's hope for the best from Hamster Kombat. They have a lot of good records, but there's one record remaining: to make people financially free. That is the hustle. Let's keep on pushing. Join the Telegram channel for fast updates, and I drop combos also on the Telegram channel. Don't miss out on any of them. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to like the video. See you guys on the next one. Stay always blessed.